On December 23, 2024, Italy made a significant move to strengthen its air defense by signing a contract for 24 new Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft. This follows Spain's recent confirmation of an order for 25 additional Typhoons, reinforcing the aircraft's central role in Europe's defense strategy. The Italian order, approved by the government in July 2024, marks the replacement of the older Tranche 1 models, which have been in service since the early 2000s. These older aircraft can no longer be upgraded effectively due to their technical limitations and high costs. The new Typhoons will modernize Italy's fleet and ensure it remains equipped to tackle future threats with cutting-edge technology. The Eurofighter Typhoon, developed by a European consortium including BAE Systems, Leonardo, and Airbus, is a versatile multirole fighter aircraft. It excels in air superiority, surveillance, ground attack operations, and more. With a delta-wing design and advanced avionics, the Typhoon offers exceptional agility and performance in both subsonic and supersonic speeds. The new Typhoons will feature the latest AESA Captor-E radar, which significantly improves detection and tracking capabilities. This upgrade enhances the aircraft's ability to perform critical missions, from intercepting enemy aircraft to executing ground strikes and air defense suppression. In addition, the Typhoon will be equipped with state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems, advanced sensor management, and a modern defensive aid system, DAS. These upgrades will help ensure the aircraft's adaptability in rapidly evolving combat environments. Italy's order of 24 Typhoons is part of a broader effort to modernize its military. The new fleet will gradually replace the aging Tranche 1 models, which were becoming increasingly expensive to upgrade. By incorporating the latest technological advancements, Italy's Air Force will remain one of the most capable in Europe. This acquisition also highlights the continued success of the Eurofighter Typhoon program, as it remains a key asset for Europe's air defense. Spain and Germany have already committed to expanding their fleets, and discussions for a potential Tranche 5 are underway. With the Eurofighter Typhoon, Italy is ensuring its ability to face modern and future threats while reinforcing its commitment to European defense cooperation. The continued investment in this aircraft program is a clear statement of Italy's strategic priorities and its role in strengthening Europe's defense capabilities. The new Typhoons will be assembled at Leonardo's facilities in Turin, adding to the industrial cooperation between European nations. The aircraft are expected to be delivered through 2030, ensuring that Italy's Air Force remains ready for any challenge ahead. As the world faces increasing security threats and rapid technological advancements, the Eurofighter Typhoon stands as a symbol of European collaboration and adaptability, ensuring that Italy and its allies remain at the forefront of defense innovation.